He's the most magnificent creature we've ever had. Look at the way he's turning his head, showing off. It's a dancer.
No, he heard something. He's listening, you see?
But at the very end, you did this. None of the other dancers did that. What did you mean? The god of love is hiding in the forest?
No, that also means a lotus flower.
Lotus flower is hiding in the forest. Why would a lotus flower hide in the forest?